Can you really make passive income with Peer2Profit? Yes, you can. And in this video, I will go through step by step on how to set it up, show you around their website and the app, and withdraw a payment. To sign up, make sure to click on the link in the description below to get to where I'm at right now, and simply hit sign up to Peer2Profit. All you need is to register via Google or your email address. Accept the terms of use and privacy policy and hit sign up. Once you've signed up, you can connect to their website at dashboard.peer2profit.app/dashboard. The installation of Peer2Profit is extremely easy. If you have a Windows computer, then you can download the app from here directly. Otherwise, go to download/install on the left. You can also download the Windows app from this page, or if you have an Android phone, you can also install it here. Peer2Profit is also available on Linux, macOS, and Docker container. For this video, as I'm using a Windows computer, I will download Peer2Profit for Windows. Once downloaded, simply extract the file. Then simply double-click on the file and follow the instructions to install it. So next, 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 and then install. Once done, hit finish, and Peer2Profit should open up automatically. If it doesn't, go to the bottom right corner of your screen on this arrow and click once on this icon. I previously installed Peer2Profit, so that's probably why my email address is already entered. You will have to enter yours manually when prompted. There are not many options with this app, and you should normally already start making money. In the settings, these two options should already be ticked by default, meaning the app will start automatically when you turn on your computer. If, for whatever reason, you wish to stop sharing your internet connection, simply hit stop, and when you want to turn it back on, hit start, and within a few seconds, it should state working. That's pretty much all there is to do with the app. You will now start making money automatically and passively. Now you might ask, how much can you earn? To have an estimated guess, let's go back to the dashboard. Expected income from one device is about $2 to $15 per month, depending on location, like the country you live in, your city, and even your network type. We'll go into a bit more detail in a few minutes regarding this, as how much you can earn may vary a lot depending on that. The one simple way to earn more is by installing Peer2Profit on different devices across different ISPs and inviting referrals to increase your income. I have personally earned $1.25 using this app so far, and earned $2.18 with referrals, so I have a total of $3.43 that I can cash out, which I will do now. In the Payout section, you will see all the different ways to withdraw your cash. Note that Payout can take up to 24 hours. So the way to withdraw your money is via any of these methods. I am not very familiar with most of the ones listed here. However, right below you will be able to withdraw via some cryptocurrencies, such as Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, TRX, Tether, and BUSD. I'm sure most of you would have heard of at least one of these cryptos. I will select Litecoin as it's a non-crypto to have one of the lowest fees. Plus the minimum withdrawal amount is only $1. If you don't like any of these cryptos and want some Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, or whatever else, then you can always exchange your Litecoin for whatever else crypto you prefer from your crypto wallet. Before entering your Litecoin address, make sure it is correct, as there is no way to recover it if you enter a wrong one. I will use my Litecoin address for my Coinbase account. If you don't have an account with them, I highly recommend it, as it's widely used amongst many different websites to make money online that I mentioned on my YouTube channel. On top of that, you can earn $10 worth of Bitcoin when you buy or sell $100 worth of crypto on the platform by using the invite code in the description below. Now to get your Litecoin address, simply go to send/receive and click here to change the default crypto. Mine is already showing here, but if you don't have it listed here yet, just type LTC or Litecoin. Your Litecoin address will then show. Click on this little icon to copy it, go back to Peer2Profit, and paste it in the Litecoin address section. Once you're confident this is correct, hit Order Payout. Again, cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so make sure it's correct before you continue. Then just hit Data is OK and send. A security code is then sent to your email address. The email will come from noreply@peer2profit.com, and your security code will be here. You only have 5 minutes to enter it, so make sure to do this immediately. So I can now withdraw my funds. The payout will be received in my wallet within an hour. I decided to use Coinbase for this example, but you can of course use any wallet you want. In my network, beside traffic rate, click on Show to see how much you can potentially earn depending on your network type. If you have a business internet service provider, you will earn 30 cents per gigabyte shared. Even though the B is in lowercase, it's actually gigabyte and not gigabit. Only companies will normally have these types of networks. The second one is cellular data, and here you will earn $1 per gigabyte shared. This should work for anyone who has mobile carriers with data. Make sure you don't go over your limit or that you have unlimited data with your carrier. The third one is for servers and data centers. Again, the average person will most likely not use this at home. The fourth one is called residential, and you will earn 80 cents per gigabyte shared. This is for home internet and Wi-Fi. That's the category most people watching this video should be in. And the last one is other, which includes college or hotels, for example. I'm guessing this applies to any public networks, but I haven't actually tested it outside my home network. There, you can earn 30 cents per gigabyte shared. Right below, you will see some information about your own network. My IP address is here, which I partially blurred out, country IE, which is short for Ireland, as that's where I live, city Dublin, my ISP, or Internet Service Provider, and total traffic, 1.19 gigabyte. You can see here what I mentioned earlier, the B is now in capital letter, and it is gigabyte and not gigabit. And finally, the network type, residential. Just below, I just noticed that I have another field. I believe this is because I previously installed Peer2Profit on another test laptop. Back to the dashboard, you can also see how much you can expect to earn depending on where you live. Currently, mobile/cellular network is selected, which is basically your mobile data like your 4G or 5G. The greener your country is, the more you will earn. However, these are averages. In Ireland, for example, I could earn $5.52 per month on average sharing data with my mobile phone. If you click on your country, you can also see how much you can earn on average depending on the region you live in. By the way, I'm not having a stroke. Whatever region I select, the whole thing flickers. In most of Europe, the average earnings seems to be approximately $5 a month, and that's if you use only one device. I know that a lot of my viewers are from India, so let's see how much you can earn over there. On average, you should earn about $2 per month, but then if you click on India, you can definitely see the earning difference depending on the region. The best earning opportunity seems to be in that region in the north of India. For my North American viewers, it's also quite similar to Europe overall. The average is a bit higher in the US though, at over $7 per month and $5 in Canada. Let's select what I'm sure most people will use, which is your home internet connection. Here, surprisingly, the earnings are better in Canada than in the US overall. Again, don't necessarily take these averages as a perfect example. I'm pretty sure many cities in the US have much higher earnings than that. The other way to earn more with Peer2Profit is by inviting your friends and family. You can copy your referral link here and share it with anyone you know who might be interested in making a bit of extra cash passively. You will earn 50% of what they earn, which is extremely high. By comparison, other similar apps such as Honeygain, PacketStream or IP Royal also have referral programs, but you will earn 10 to 20%. I will post the links of the reviews I made about these apps in the description below. As you can see, I've already invited a few users to Peer2Profit. The first user here shared over 3 GB from cellular data, almost 1 GB from hosting network, and over 600 MB from residential traffic. As a reminder, 3 GB of cellular data is worth $3, 1 GB of hosting, 30 cents, and 600 MB of residential, approximately 50 cents. This means that this user earned about $3.80 in 5 days, as he or she signed up on the 28th of August of this year, and today, at the time of recording, is the 2nd of September. If you scroll down from this page, you will see some HTML code that you can incorporate in your website, and you can select the size and shape of the animation. In help and information, you will find some information about Peer2Profit, such as how does it work. I should have probably started this video with that, but I believe getting up and running first was more important. Basically, you rent your extra bandwidth. We buy it and sell it for legal purposes, such as SMM, which is the abbreviation for social media marketing, and data collection from open sources. You get a financial reward for the extra connection you willingly share. The more sources, unique IP addresses, or imported proxies, the bigger your income. You do need to be patient and wait at least 1 month to assess your fair earnings. By that statement, I believe they mean you should wait a little while before giving up. You might not start earning money straight away, as the way it works is based on demand. If there is a low demand on their end, depending on where you live, then you will most likely not share much data and therefore earn less. We've already looked at how to start earning, and right below, there's also an FAQ where you should get most of your questions answered. They explain a lot of things in detail in this section. I've already gone through the most important points, so I won't go into detail, but make sure to check it out if you have any questions. If you have any issues, you can also contact their support by hovering your mouse here. At the bottom left corner of your browser, you will see that their email address is support@peer2profit.com. Okay, so let's see if I received my payment yet. I received this email while I was recording, and it says I just received some Litecoin worth €3.45, which is worth about the same in US dollars as of today. So let's see if it's arrived yet. So my Litecoin is currently pending. I will pause the recording and get back to you once it's completed. I'm back, and as you can see, the transaction is now completed. So it might have been completed yesterday night. I'm not sure, as I've only looked back at it again today, but it's been less than 24 hours since I requested it. Overall, Peer2Profit is a great way to earn some extra cash completely passively, and the earnings are much higher than any other similar apps I've mentioned before per gigabyte of data shared. However, it's important to note that it's not because you will earn more per data shared that you will necessarily earn more than other apps I mentioned before, such as Honeygain, PacketStream, or IP Royal, because you can't control the amount of data you will share with each of these apps. Therefore, the best option is to install them all on your laptop, desktop computer, or mobile phone if you wish to make the most amount of extra cash passively. These apps won't make you rich, but the earning potential is interesting, knowing once they're set up, there's nothing to do from your end, except wait to reach the minimum withdrawal amount and cash out. I am still testing a few similar apps, such as Draft Monetizer, Earn App, Peer Proxy Rack, Cash Raven, Salad, and Spider. These are all very similar apps where you can also earn money passively. I haven't reached the minimum withdrawal amount with these apps just yet, but I will make videos about them once I'm able to cash out. Feel free to try them if you wish. I will leave the links of these apps in the description below. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in the content I make, and see you very soon.